Hi, we've completed a very exhaustive workshop with CaneMasti today, and I'm with the dynamic co-founders. On my left is Ajay, and on the extreme left is Samri. Ajay and Samri, what are your takeaways from this workshop? We started off in the morning with a certain set of goals that we have. Do you think we have achieved those goals? Are you much clearer now in terms of whatever you wanted to understand?
Yes. So initially when we came in the morning, we are not much clear, but now we got a clear idea, clear picture how a franchisee business works, and yes, we have got many points which we need to improve in. So that's how the franchisee works. So now we have a good knowledge on how to run as a franchisee. Yeah.
Great. Great. Somebody, what are your key takeaways?
Yeah. Before taking this workshop, we had no idea about how to improve in our business. We got many good points which you initially itself when the workshop started itself, you gave the very good points what to do, what are the do's and don'ts we should do, and I'm really impressed with those points. And we have the confidence now that we can run the business and we can improve our business.
Yes, I think we really emphasized on how we can make the business stronger, which is what
Yes.
you all wanted to
Yes.
do.
Now we are more confident.
Yeah, so with this confidence coming in, and with you now having to do the homework that you're supposed to do to be able to become franchise ready, there's quite a number of things that you're now supposed to do.
Yes.
I'm sure once you start doing those, what about those preparations? Do you think now that will help you to franchise more correctly with the preparations?
Definitely. The rules are very good. Like each and every point, whatever we wanted to know, everything is documented and everything is properly taken in this session. Yeah.
Yes.
We got the clear picture.
Yes. Yeah. So I'm now hoping that you'll be able to put all those things in place because the business has got tremendous potential. When you put all things that we've discussed today in perspective and get the preparation in place, I'm sure we have hundreds of CaneMasti outlets that we can do across the country. I'm very confident that it can be a great business to expand and to be able to take it across different parts of the country. And I'm looking forward to working with you all closely over the next coming years to be able to make this as a national brand. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.